Okay, cool. I see people trickling in as we just get started over here. Thanks so much for joining me on what is, for me anyway, a sunny Tuesday afternoon. If it's either not sunny, not the afternoon, or I guess not Tuesday, then uh, I guess let me know where you're from. Let me know what's going on where you are. I think it's super exciting to be ramping up to Hacktoberfest and to all of the great things that we are going to do and make and discuss together through the exciting month of the event. So, thanks for joining us, especially those of you that are here live today. My name's Lorna Mitchell, and I'm super happy to be here. I will be sharing with you some tips on contributing to open source projects. So, how to level up as a contributor to open source to improve your own skills. Over the coming weeks, I will be putting together a longer talk about this. So, if you'd like to see that longer edition, go ahead and look in the description for a link to register for that talk. But I have a few tips to share with you today to get us started and to get you thinking about yourself, your goals, Hacktoberfest, and a celebration of open source. So if you're not already signed up for Hacktoberfest, you should probably sign up for that. And that is also in the description. So, tips for open source contributors. First question has to be, what's in it for you? Like, why are you here? And what's your goal? Maybe you want to get a t-shirt or a tree. Cool, that's a goal. Maybe you're looking to gain some skills, and these might be pure technical or coding skills, but they might also be more core skills. You might be looking to get better at pull requests or learn to collaborate with other people. It's a key skill if you work in technology in the industry right now. Maybe you're scratching your own itch. I don't know about you, but I use a lot of open source technologies. So, being able to just fix those small things, a typo in a documentation, or just a small missing feature, means a lot to me. It improves my quality of life, but also the quality of life of everyone else who uses that same open source tool. So it's a win all round. What else can I tell you? I think when you meet a new project, and maybe finding a project that you can be part of is one of your goals for Hacktoberfest, and it's a good one. The first thing I want you to do before you commit to doing issues or something is just poke around the state of the project. So I had a little look earlier at issues that are at the list of issues tagged Hacktoberfest on GitHub. And there's a few organizations that already have things tagged. I thought that was really neat. So up here we have, let me see, I can't actually focus the right window. That's not a good start. There we go. Up here we have, do you use Insomnia? I discovered that Insomnia, which is an open source HTTP client, I've used it a bit myself, already has a bunch of issues tagged Hacktoberfest. So you can go there and have a look around, see if something speaks to you, and get involved. Quite like Insomnia just from scouting around the project. And here are the things that I look for. First of all, if you look, let me try and point for you. If you look here, the develop is the main branch. So that's an important thing to know before you commit. This project also has a contributing file, so it's got instructions on how to get involved, and it's got a cool README. You've already seen that the issue list is in great shape. There's a bunch of projects already organized and plenty more joining over the next few weeks before the start of Hacktoberfest proper. So poke around, take good time to look at the state of the issues, check in the pull request queue that no one has fixed this already, and make sure that you are interacting with a project that has clear contributing guidelines. A few others that I want to call out, PyTorch Ignite, which is a cool machine learning stuff, also has issues in good shape. CockroachDB has taken a whole new approach and is encouraging people, first-time contributors, to build a to-do list app in whichever tech stack you choose. So they're really geared up for new people, and they're looking to give you some opportunities to participate. So there's something for everybody, and I think the research phase is one of the big tips that I want to share. Finally, I will steal my own thunder and show you one thing that I am going to share also in the webinar, along with a whole raft of other tips. And that is what to do when you have got commits on the wrong branch. It happens. So I'm going to show you, we're going to do this with Git on the command line, but there's the window. That was hard. We're going to do this with Git on the command line. I know a bunch of you use a load of different Git tools, but first of all, command line works everywhere. And second of all, I have no idea how to do one of these things on command line in any graphical tool. So we'll stick with this for now. So let's imagine I'm going to fix something amazing on the Vonage PHP library, which I have still got checked out as Nexmo locally because we're in the middle of a rebrand. But it's the Vonage PHP library, and I'm going to make some changes, but they are just for the sake of demonstration. So we'll just go ahead and make some nonsense changes and add those. Let's use -p. I don't know what other changes I have in the README. No, I don't have any. That's cool. All right, git commit, made some nonsense. All right, great. Oh no, I've committed to the wrong branch. Now I can tell that I've committed to the wrong branch. And to do that, I'm going to use my favorite combination of git log switches, which is git log one line and git log decorate. So one line is what it sounds like, puts on one line. Decorate shows you the branch and tag names. Graph shows how the commits are related, and all includes not just the branch that you are on. So you can see, oh no, origin master is over there, and I have committed so that my master branch is ahead of origin master. That is a bad thing. Your master branch should always follow the upstream. So how can we fix it? What we're going to do is we're going to make a new branch from where we are, and I'll show you what that looks like. Git branch, and I'll give it a new name. Now look at my git log command again, and the nonsense branch is pointing to my new commits. So the important thing here is that you have committed everything and that you've made a new branch where you are. If you have not done either of those things, you're about to lose work. All right. Next, we're going to undo what we did wrong. I'm on the master branch. My work is safe in the nonsense branch, and I'm going to do git reset --hard because I know that I have committed and I have stored my work on another branch. And we're going to do origin master. Origin what? Git remote. What are my remotes called? Oh, git remote, git reset --hard. Oh, maybe I'm supposed to put the branch name there. Oh, there we go. Origin/master. So now look at my git log. Perfect. My master still tracks the upstream or origin master, and my nonsense work is on another branch safely. If you'd like more tricks and advice on open source contributions and in general, and Hacktoberfest in particular, then check the description and register for the webinar. And I hope to see you all there. Happy Hacktoberfest, everybody.